Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on the tilt fix feature on your Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, to do this, it's pretty simple to do. All right, right here we are on the home screen of when you would just fire up this camera and get ready to start recording. But as you look over here to the left-hand side, you'll see that little icon there. We're going to go ahead and tap on that, and that's tilt fix. When it's on, it applies up to a 10-degree of horizon leveling to correct uneven mounting or shakes. It's suitable for everyday vlogs. By default, it's on. If you want to turn it off, you'll just tap it there to turn it off. It says when off, no horizon level is applied, and it's suitable for filmmaking or cycling, offers a wider field of view or more responsive camera movement. So depending on what you're trying to shoot or capture is what you would select here. I like to keep mine on. So you just select that and then click on confirm, and that's how your tilt fix is set on or off on your Insta360 GO 3S.